Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to another episode of Unboxing the Best. Today, we are diving into the world of mobile technology, where innovation meets functionality. We have for you the top 5 mobile phones that are currently pioneering the global market with their impressive features and game-changing designs. From incredible camera specs that let you capture the world in stunning detail, to powerhouse processors that ensure smooth multitasking, these stunning devices represent the best the tech world has to offer. We'll be unboxing each, discussing what sets them apart, their strengths, and who they're best suited for. So, if you're contemplating upgrading your phone or just love keeping up with the latest tech discoveries, stick around for an in-depth, hands-on review of the smartphones that are changing the game. Discover the top 5 with us, right here on Unboxing the Best. Take this journey with us. And by the end, you'll know exactly which of these high-tech marvels is the perfect companion for you.